So far in this series, we've built our VIGI setup step by step. And now, everything is connected and working perfectly. But here's something most people ignore: keeping your system updated. Outdated firmware can cause bugs, security risks, and performance issues. And that's exactly what we're fixing in this video. We'll update the NVR and all connected cameras the right way, step by step. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're coming back, welcome back. This is Gadgets Pod, tried and tested. All right, let's get updated. Now, let's update the NVR firmware. We'll do this directly from the NVR. Go to Settings, then System, and open the Firmware Update section. Here, click Check for Updates. The NVR will now check for any available updates. If an update is available, you'll see the option to upgrade. Make sure the NVR stays powered on during this process. Click Upgrade and let it complete. The system may restart once the update is done. And your NVR will be running the latest firmware. What if you want to update your NVR without even going near it? Let's do it using a web browser. This works when you're on the same local network. Open a browser and enter the NVR's IP address. Log in using your NVR credentials. Once inside, go to Settings, then open System and go to Upgrade Firmware. Click Check for Updates. The system will look for the latest version. If an update is available, click Upgrade. Do not power off the NVR during this process. The system may restart once the update is complete. And your NVR will be updated successfully. Now, let's do the same using the VIGI app. We'll update the firmware directly from your phone. Open the VIGI app and select your NVR. Go into Device Settings and look for the Firmware or Upgrade option. If an update is available, it will show up here. Tap Update Now and make sure the device stays online during the update. The process will take a few minutes. During the update, you'll also see the progress directly on the NVR display. It will show that the firmware upgrade is in progress. Do not power off the NVR or disconnect it during this step. Once the update is complete, the system will automatically restart. This reboot is part of the update process. And once it's back on, your NVR will be running the latest firmware. Now, let's update the camera firmware using the NVR. If any update is available, the NVR will show a pop-up automatically. You'll see an option to update right there. Just click Update. And the NVR will update all connected cameras one by one. Make sure the system stays powered on during this process. Now, let's update camera firmware using a web browser. This works when you're on the same local network. Open a browser and enter the camera's IP address. Log in using the camera credentials. Once inside, go to Settings, then System Settings, then open System Management and select Firmware Upgrade. Click Check for Updates to see if any update is available. If available, click Update and start the process. Do not disconnect power or network during the update. It will first download the firmware and then install it. This may take a few minutes, so just wait. The camera may restart once the update is complete. And your camera will be running the latest firmware. Now, let's update the camera using the VIGI app. Select your camera to open the live view. and tap the gear icon on the top right to open Device Settings. Now, go to Firmware Update. The app will automatically check for the latest version. If an update is available, tap Update. The camera will download and install the firmware. This may take a few minutes. Make sure the camera stays online during this process. The camera will restart once the update is complete. And your camera will be fully updated. Your NVR and cameras are now fully updated. In the next video, we'll show how to access live and recorded footage, including all possible access methods, both inside and outside your network, even via VPN. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Gadgets Pod, tried and tested.